In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a testimonial slider to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme, all in just about 5 minutes. Adding testimonials to your site is a fantastic way to build trust with potential customers by showcasing the positive experiences of previous buyers, and with Shopify, it's incredibly easy to do. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. If you're not logged in already, simply navigate to Shopify's homepage and click on the Login button. Once you're on the login page, enter your email address in the designated field. After you've filled that in, click on the Continue button. This will take you to the password entry screen where you'll need to type in your password. After entering your password, go ahead and click Log In. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, we'll be making our way to the Themes section, so click on Online Store from the side menu to get started. This will bring you to a page where you'll see Themes as an option. Click on it. Inside the Themes page, you'll notice a button labeled Customize. Click this to open up the Theme Customizer where we can make modifications to your store's appearance. In the Shopify Theme Customizer, you'll see an array of options allowing you to personalize various aspects of your store. To add the testimonial slider, we're going to look for an option to add sections. Click on this button to bring up a list of potential sections to add to your page. In the search bar, type in the word testimonials. This will help quickly locate the specific section we want to include. Once it's visible, go ahead and select testimonials from the list. Now that you've added the testimonial slider to your page, you can click on it to begin editing. You can customize various elements of the testimonial section, such as text, images, and layout, to fit the look and feel of your store. Take your time here to really personalize the testimonials, ensuring they convey the authenticity and emotion of your brand. After you've finished editing the testimonials to your liking, there's one important step remaining: saving your work. This step ensures all the changes you've made are applied to your live site. Simply locate the Save button, typically found at the top right corner of the page, and click it. This secures all the adjustments you've implemented. And there you have it. You've successfully added a testimonial slider to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. This small addition can make a big difference in how potential customers perceive your business. So congratulations on enhancing your store's credibility and customer engagement. Thanks for following along.